How to fix Rockstar Games launcher not opening. The first thing that you need to do is open up your computer search and search for virus and threat protection. Click on it here. Now once you access this, you will select manage settings underneath virus and threat protection settings. Now right here you can try turning off real-time protection while you open up the Rockstar launcher, but make sure you turn it back on. And another thing that we need to do is to scroll all the way down and find exclusions and click on add or remove exclusions. Now you will click on yes and then add an exclusion here, select folder, and you want to go to your C drive, program files, and you just want to find Rockstar Games. Right here you will see Rockstar Games, select it, and then you will click on select folder. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second method, see if that fixes it for you. If it doesn't, then you will find the Rockstar Games launcher, right click, show more options, properties, open file location. Then you want to right click on the launcher, show more options, properties, go to the compatibility tab and check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Afterwards, click on apply, click on OK, and that should fix the issue. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.